Hey everybody, Lewis here, R Shack Barbecue and other things. Well, today I am going to do a batch of beef jerky. Now, what I plan on doing is cutting it up, marinating it, getting it in the fridge, leave it in there overnight, then take it out to the Pitboss Vertical smoker in the morning, put it on basically 180 and let it just sit there and smoke. And should be done in about 4 hours. With this, I'm going to be following another YouTube channel, Jaxx Drinkwater. He had Southern Bayou Beef Jerky Company on, and they demonstrated a really cool jerky slicer and marinade, which I'm going to be copying. And then I'm going to add a little twist to one of them. I'm going to marinate some in a different marinade, and we'll see what it all comes out like. So I'm going to show you this really cool jerky slicer, and then I'm going to cut up the meat, and then we'll get it marinated. So stay tuned.
Regulators, mount up.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Okay, here is the jerky slicer. Now this is Cabelas brand, but it's exactly the same as what he showed. You can find these online from $100 to $150 depending on where you order it from. As you can see on the side there what it looks like, and we will get this unboxed and put together. Manuals, might as well just use that as fire starter, huh? Let's see what we got. Warning, do not remove this card until you've read and fully understand enclosed instruction provided. Right. So this is I think it's a 3-pound eye of round that I picked up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to cut it maybe into 2 strips. So let's first cut her in half. Alright, let's give this a try. Figure out which way this needs to go. I didn't clamp it down, but just run it down through there. down. Look at that. Perfect widths. Cuts it so nice. I'll show you up here. It's like almost perfect. Do a little more trimming on now that I got it done. But yeah, I think this will work out great. Got a bag here to put them in. Okay, for our jerky marinade, what we're going to do is we're going to take 3 parts Worcestershire sauce to 1 part soy sauce, and I'm using light. So we're going to take this. See if we can do it with it. Should have popped the cap off this thing. We're almost to where I want it. This will be about a cup. So then we'll add about 1/3 cup of soy. We'll call that good. Then we're going to add about 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Something like that. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then I'm using Tender Quick as my salt. And we're going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of it in here. And then about a teaspoon of black pepper. And for this particular bag, this is where the other 2 bags, one I put teriyaki in instead of Worcestershire. And then the other one I did teriyaki, or not teriyaki, but Worcestershire soy, and I stopped right here and whisked it all together. But in this batch, I'm going to add Mike's Hot Honey. We'll add about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of this in it. Rough idea. 1, 2, and we'll get it all whisked together. You know me, I got a sample. Dip the old finger in. Wow, that is really, really good. I hope this turns out like I want it to. And we'll just pour it in our bag here. Get all the goodness down in there. Squeeze out the air and work our marinade into it. Alright, so these will go into the fridge overnight. And we'll put them on the smoker tomorrow. Should I live dangerously and not label the bags and do a taste test, try to figure out which is which? I think that's what I'll do. Live on the wild side. Okay, so I pulled the jerky out of the fridge that I've had marinating overnight, and now I'm going to strain it and put it on the smoker at about 180. I'm hoping it'll be done in about 4 hours. So let's get this started. There's no help for you. You're a nutcase. Alrighty. Got the jerky done. Everything's been running really good. Time to pull it off and sample it. Okay, let's give this beef jerky a try. Now, like I said, I marinated it in 3 different combinations, and I kind of forgot which is which, so we'll just grab one and give it a taste. Hopefully it's not a spicy one. Marinated it overnight, put it on the Pitboss Vertical grill smoker for 4 hours at 180. 175 is the setting, and it ranged anywhere from down to 160 up to 200 through it, but it always came back down and rose back up when it needed to be, so it worked flawlessly. So let's go ahead and give her a taste. Beef jerky. Wow. Okay, I would say this is one of the original marinades from Smokehouse Bayou. It's not really that spicy, so that one's good. Nice and soft, not really hard to chew through. That's really good. Yeah, so that worked out great. Got a bag full of jerky, and I'm gonna enjoy it. You know, it was a great cook. Look forward to doing it again here soon. And like I always say, you can do this too. Grill on.